Hello everyone, welcome back to HTML and CSS Creative Design series. Today, together we are going to design a LUDO game board using HTML and CSS. So here's the final design, or you can say the design that we are going to design further in this video tutorial. Here I already opened this image in Photoshop so that I can easily get the color and other required information. As you can see, we have similar kind of design for each player. You can see the green player, red player, blue player, and yellow player. To save the development time, we are just only going to design one part of this LUDO game design, and further we will just keep copy paste the code, and we will just change the color based on the player, and we will just rotate the design. Under one player, we have three more subcomponents: one for the home component, one for the root component, and one for this goal component. And along with this, we have one root indicator, one star for save place indicator. So before start writing the code, let's first discuss what we will learn after completing this LUDO design using HTML and CSS. You will be able to understand how to break down your design or web pages into components and subcomponents that I already discussed, like player, then we have home, then we have route, then we have a goal, and along with we have a root indicator and save place indicator. Further, you will learn how to structure your HTML and CSS code for complex design like this LUDO design, and you will learn how to design different shapes and layout. Further, you will learn different CSS properties like before and after, transform, shadow, positioning, display flex, and so on. Further, you will learn how to use font awesome icon within your project. And at final, you will be able to design the same LUDO design as we are going to design further in this tutorial. So let's start writing the code. For that, I already created two files, ludo.html and ludo.css. Now press Ctrl space for HTML sample to quickly get started, and let's make some changes and import the CSS and the fonts. Now, as you can see, I'm using font awesome icon for the icon that I'm going to use in this project. For that, I already downloaded that font awesome CSS and fonts, and the same you can download from the font awesome website. You can go to get started, and there will be a download button, and you can download it from here. And after that, you can just choose the icon that you are going to use. For me, I am going to use mostly only one icon, that is start, so you can directly use it from here. Now let's start writing the HTML code for the LUDO design. Now, as you can see, we get the desired result. As you saw, we use different CSS properties to style this LUDO design. So for your reference, I am going to put this code in GitHub repo, and I will add this repo link in description. Yeah, that's for this video. For that, I'm going to continue working on the next part of this LUDO design. And the next part, as you can see, we are going to add the player name, marker for the player, and boxes for the player. As you can see, for red, green, yellow, and blue. And also the active player animation. As you can see, there is some blink for the home, and the player also with the arrow which indicating the active player. So for that, we are going to complete this. Yeah, that is for today. If you have any query, feel free to comment below. Thank you. I hope you all like this video. See you in the next part of LUDO design.